Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my April 2019 Sephora Play bag. And it's different this month. Usually it's red. This month it is like a hot pink purple color, which is kind of cute. I mean, I don't really keep these bags. They're not really worth keeping, to be honest with you, at least as far as I'm concerned. Maybe if you want to keep like some toiletries and stuff for like travel maybe. And, you know, I don't know. I just normally don't keep them. So there's that. On the back it says player, a beauty connoisseur with a keen sense of adventure, which I don't really understand that. Maybe I'm just too old, I don't know. But I don't understand what that means. Anyway, this comes with a card, and you do get 50 Beauty Insider points if you use them. They have been doing them that you could use them online now as well as in store, so that's kind of cool. And then on the inside, it has all of the products that are in my bag listed with some little description there. So it does say Winning Beauty. I think that's, oh, Sephora Bingo. Let's play Sephora Bingo. All right. So I'm going to go ahead, and the way I like to do these is I like to just stick my hand in the bag, pull something out, and then look and see what it is. Now, I did kind of look at the card, to be honest with you. I have been moving more towards like try-on style videos when I do my unboxings. So I looked at the card already to see if there was anything that I could like put on my face, and there kind of isn't. So let's go ahead and dig in. I'm going to pull this first item out here. It is from Pharmacy. It says Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. All right, it's just a little like cardboard packaging here. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and see what the inside looks like. All right, so it's just a little tube here. Okay. And let's go ahead and read from the card. It says, step in the bright direction. Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with Echinacea Green Envy. An exfoliating night serum that resurfaces skin and reduces uneven skin tone and dullness. Why it gets bonus points. Set your skin on a path toward greatness with this exfoliator that uses a blend of gentle AHA, BHA, glycolic, citric, and fruit acids to reduce the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. How to use. 2 to 3 nights a week. Apply a quarter-size amount to clean skin before bed. It might tingle a little bit. There you go. All right, going in for the next item. Let's see what else is in here. I'm going to pull this out. This is like a foil pack here. So this is this month's bonus. I much prefer to get something like this than the perfume sample. Not that the perfume samples are bad. I just don't wear perfume. So this is from The Verb. Looks like it's a shampoo and conditioner. There we go. Okay. And it says this month's bonus, always strand together. The Verb Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. A mild hydrating shampoo and conditioner duo that re-energizes damaged brittle hair. Key benefits, safe for colored hair, mild enough for daily use, deliver boost of provitamin B5 moisture. That's pretty cool. That is a bonus item that I will definitely use. So that is very much appreciated. All right, going in, let's see what this next item here is. All right, so this is from Sephora. It's Sephora brand. It's the Triple Action Cleansing Water. So micellar water. Pretty sure it's micellar water. All right. So this says Clear the Way. The Sephora Collection Triple Action Cleansing Water. A no-rinse, soap-free cleansing water that removes impurities and makeup. Why it gets bonus points. This soothing formula leaves skin feeling fresh and comfortable in a one simple step. Hydrocen Plus, a plant-derived ingredient, moisturizes and nurtures. How to use. Use a cotton ball or pad to apply, then wipe away dirt and makeup. No need to rinse. I do like micellar water. I definitely am not upset to get this, actually, to be honest with you. I actually like keeping those things around so I can use them and take them with me when I'm traveling, too. All right, let's see what I want to pull out next. Let's do this one right here. Okay, so this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion for very dry to dry combination. So over the summer, I am not really dry. I actually get pretty oily over the summer. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer for one of you all to get because I just really won't use this. Plus, this is a oil-based I'm pretty sure this is an oil-based moisturizer. And even in the winter, I try not to use an oil-based. I try to use more of an water-based moisturizer when I'm using moisturizer, which is every day. Yeah. Anyway. Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. A fast-absorbing daily moisturizer that combats dryness and balances skin. Why it gets bonus points. This lightweight formula has a silky texture that strengthens skin's moisture barrier and keeps it hydrated and radiant all day long. How to use. Apply a quarter-size amount to cleansed skin morning and night. All right, let's go ahead and get the next item out. Let's go with this right here. All right, so this is Laura Mercier. This is the Foundation Primer Radiance. This one I'm actually kind of interested in and excited to give a try. Okay. Winsome Smoothsome. This is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance, an illuminating creamy gel that creates a smooth canvas for makeup application. Why it gets bonus points. Foundation will glide onto skin and stay fresh for hours with this primer that works for all skin types. Formulated with antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and E, it nurtures skin while prepping it for makeup. How to use. Apply a quarter-size amount evenly over skin and then follow with foundation. All right, I'm actually excited to give this a try, to be honest with you. I don't think I've ever tried a Laura Mercier primer. It does not have a safety seal, so I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. And let's see. Okay. Doesn't really have a scent. And you can see it does actually give a nice sheen to my skin there. This is actually really similar to a CoverGirl one I just tried here recently. Do I think that they're the same? Probably not, but definitely similar, at least in look, feel, texture, that sort of thing. Obviously, I haven't used this one before, so I honestly don't know how it lasts throughout the day, but yeah, it's kind of nice. I'm going to give it a try. And then I have one more item in here. It's a wee little tiny Perversion Volumizing Mascara. So it's just a little sample here. I actually got this exact same size, I think, in a sample package from 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta. I'm pretty sure it was like 3 or 4 different Urban Decay items. And I'm pretty sure it was this size. It might have been bigger than this. I don't know. Play the long game. Urban Decay Perversion Mascara in black. Now, I've never tried this mascara, I don't think. So, a lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easy for full-bodied lashes. Why it gets bonus points. This creamy formula delivers bold lashes without being sticky or clumpy, plus ingredients like honey extract and marine collagen nurture with every swipe. How to use. Wiggle the brush into your lash roots and then pull through to coat the tips. Repeat as desired. So, yeah. I haven't tried this before, so I am happy to get it to try. Like I said, I think I already did get this in Ulta 21 Days of Beauty as a sample. It's a wee little sample, though. So there's that. Anyway, let's go back through the items real quick. I got the mini little sample of the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, the tiny little sample from Clinique. I shouldn't say tiny. This was a ½ ounce, so it's not horrible. It probably would last about a month or so, if I had to guess, depending on how much moisturizer you use. I got this little pharmacy night serum, which I'm actually kind of excited to give that a try too. The Laura Mercier primer, which is kind of nice, and then the Sephora Micellar Cleansing Water. So overall, I'm actually happy about the cleansing water, the Laura Mercier primer, and the pharmacy product. These 3 products I'm actually kind of excited to use and give a try. The Perversion Mascara, I'm not like unhappy with it, but it's just so tiny. I mean, it's 3 milliliters. If you were wearing mascara every day, this might last maybe 2 weeks, maybe. It just doesn't seem like a lot. It's 0.1 fluid ounces, if you're wondering. And then this I just can't use. I've gotten many samples of this before. I actually had purchased a medium size or full size. I'm not sure what size it was. But I've used this before, and I just can't use it. Like I said, it's a good moisturizer, but I have more oily skin, especially in the summer, so I can't use that. So anyway, that is everything in my Sephora Play bag. It's not horrible this month. I've been having a lot of problems with Sephora Play here recently where I just don't feel like I'm getting $10 worth of products, to be honest with you. This month is the 3 products that I am going to use and am going to enjoy. $10, probably not. I will redeem the 50 bonus points absolutely though, because this doesn't expire until May 31st. Yeah, May 31st. So I will probably just use this during the 20% off sale. So not only will I get the 20% off, but I will definitely get the 50 Beauty Insider points. So anyway, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I love to hear from everyone out there watching me. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.